We first had the Vivo Z1 Pro, then the stylish looking Vivo S1, and now the Vivo Z1x. Into the box you get the phone, obviously, then a 22.5 watt fast charger, earphones, so there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C cable, and a rubber casing. Now the highlights of the phone really are the 48 megapixel camera, the 22.5 watt fast charger, Snapdragon 712 AI processor, multi-turbo mode for gaming, and the flash in-display fingerprint sensor. Getting into the details, it's a dual SIM device with polycarbonate back, which is essentially plastic but gives the sophisticated feel of glass. Beautiful color, but maybe a bit too loud for some people. The device does feel on the bulkier side given it feels thick and slightly wide, but with that you do get a massive 4500 mAh battery. You do get the Type-C port, headphone jack and very average speakers. Comes with a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display which is very crisp, bright enough for outdoor use. A 32 megapixel front-facing camera which is absolutely spectacular. It's even better than the flagship devices like OnePlus and Samsung. Performance-wise, I played PUBG in high definition for almost 30 minutes and faced no issues, no lag and absolutely no heat. Just amazing. Asphalt 9 plays smoothly too, so from a gaming point of view, the Z1x will not disappoint you. Comes with a triple AI camera setup, photos taken look great and at par with any other smartphone in this segment. You can download all sample photos from the link below and check the quality yourself. The battery should easily last you the entire day with some left to spare before you start charging again. I've done an entire review video on the 48 megapixel camera, a full camera test video and a gaming performance video is gonna come soon for the Z1x, so make sure you check those out as well. And having said that, the Z1x is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a mid-range, high-performance device that can take great photos, can play almost any high-definition game, has a long-lasting, full-day battery life, and has a great AMOLED display. So, and it comes at a great value, so all of this is really well packaged.